Hey y'all, I'm in my garden. I'm listening in the garden. I'm in the shed. I'm actually listening to Broke Farmers Live. It is Sunday, August 17th. I decided to come back out into the shed and start doing this. I'm organizing all of my seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 of them organized from a while ago, but I have not finished. So this here is my first ever seed box that I got a few years ago. And then I got this one. And I got a basket up there. So I'm going to organize these so I can find my stuff better, even though I usually get disorganized again. But anyway, this is what I'm starting off with, and then I'll show you what I have when I'm done. Okay, y'all. It's 2 o'clock and it's hot. I'm going in the house. So I'm not done with this box yet. I did fill up this one. Let me show you. And I categorize them by what they are. Like artichokes. This one. Basil, a lot of basil. I probably should have did the basil as an herb and just made a whole bunch of herbs, but I went ahead and did it that way. Beans. What's this? More beans. I don't need to buy no more bean seeds. I don't need to buy no more cucumber seeds. I did like 3 of those. Beets. I have a lot of beet seeds and I have some already out. Broccoli. My choys, bok choy, which I have those sitting out. Carrots, and I think I got some more. I might have some more carrots. No, cantaloupe. I could have put these under melon, but I wanted to categorize them as they are. So cantaloupe, and I'm going to do the same thing with the honeydew melons. Chamomile. I could have put chamomile as a herb, or I could have put it as a flower. But I really need to always find my chamomile seeds, which I have some sitting out, because I do use chamomile. I grow them and I dry them, and I drink fresh chamomile tea all day long. I do. Eggplants. I'm probably going to have to do another one of these because I have a lot of eggplant plants. Greens. This one I just did is greens because I got collard greens. I got mustard greens. And turnips, I'll put under turnips because they're actually turnips, but I use them for the greens. And I found another mustard green pack, which I will put right here. Now I did these a while ago. It's eggplant. Okay. Put that for G comes after E. Peppers, got lots of peppers. Tomatoes, you guys know I have lots of varieties of tomato plants. Lots of varieties. More tomatoes. And what was this? And peppers. And I'm going to have to put those back here. Okay, so this one is done. One and done. It's going to take me days to get all of my seeds cataloged. Then for this one, which, so I'm just pulling my eye. I'm going to have to order another container or 2. This one I did celery, cucumbers, 1 cucumber, 2 cucumber, 3 cucumbers. I don't need to buy no more cucumbers, okay? Coriander, that's an herb. But I put some other herbs in here, which, like dill and something else. Blank. Flowers, some annual flowers, and flowers. So I have a lot more to do, and I'm happy I finished that one. I'm going to go on Amazon and actually look for some stuff that I need because I really want to get these seeds organized. If you don't know, when you order these, they come with, some of these, I got them off of Amazon, they come with seedling envelopes, which is good. And the labels. The labels for this one is a little bit different. I'll put that in there. But yeah, and they come with the labels, which you need. So you don't have to worry about buying labels with them. And I'm going to go online and order some more. One of these is missing here. Something's going on here. Let's see. Come on. Ah, what happened? It fits so evenly. Now it doesn't. I'll fix it. Anyway, that is it. Just me trying to organize all of my seeds, and it just got really, really hot. Even though I have the fan on me, I have my ice water. Another thing I need to clean out, I have an ice maker in here and a mini fridge. I need to clean out the ice maker, clean the water, and turn it back on and make ice. So that way when I'm in here, I have water and I have ice. Anyway, that is it for today. You know, as I always say, please find peace within yourself and please be peaceable with everyone around you. I love you all. Have a great day. Bye.